I think people believe that Indigenous cooking is bland and that we have nothing to work with, which couldn't be further from the truth.
Now we play the game, trying to get heat without it burning.
When you think about Indigenous cooking, it's simplicity. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just let the product that we're working with speak for itself. What grows together goes together. When we look at our backyard and what's in our backyard, you can kind of piece together what things should match up. And of course, with salmon on the East Coast, we use blueberries, we use sumac, we use all these different things to flavor our salmon, our maple syrup. Marriage is perfect. You see how that salmon cooks from the bottom up, right? And keeps all that juice in. We got lots of food, guys, so fill up.